Hi guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator, and we went to the range and we shot what's known as streak visual ammunition. Let me tell you about this revolutionary ammo. It's kind of genius. We're gonna actually dissect the bullet and show you what's on the other side. But first, let me tell you a little bit of history about the tracer round. So during the early 19th century, a lot of countries realized that they needed to see where the bullet was hitting and see where the bullet was in trajectory in order to adjust fire, especially at longer ranges and with machine gun fire. The British were the first to successfully design and make a tracer round in 1915. So the British would use their tracer round in the .303 round, and then in 1917, America was next on the list to create a tracer round, but this time in .30-06. A tracer round is essentially a round filled with pyrotechnic flare material made of a mixture of very finely ground metallic fuel, oxidizer, and a small amount of organic fuel. So essentially, the tracer round, when ignited, burns off a very bright color, usually green or red. And so there also is a burn time with these rounds, but they're highly flammable when around tall, dry grass. How do I know that? I might have put out a few fires or so when I was in the military. So with streak ammunition, they eliminate the possibility of starting a fire. With the glow round, there is not a fire hazard from the glow material. So what is streak ammo? It's produced by Ammo Incorporated out of Scottsdale, Arizona. Streak ammo essentially mimics a tracer round, where you can actually see the round move through the air and hit or miss your target. But it's not a tracer round, it's a glow round. Yes, that's right, it glows. The back of the bullet will glow when you fire it off. So only you, the shooter, can see the bullet, or anyone that is standing next to you about 10-20 feet away. So let's take apart the bullet and find out what's inside. So if we pop the bullet out, we will see that there is just a nice, looks like a very rounded piece of material that looks more like an epoxy slash glow substance that is just very hard on the back of there. It feels like hard plastic. So it could just be some like epoxy with glow in the dark material, and we'll see what happens. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna hit the lights. So hitting the lights did not really do that much. As you can see, it's just kind of dull. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably shine some direct light on the ammo and see what happens. There you go. You can see it glows a lot better now. There's no light and glows pretty well. So we went to go shoot this ammo, and I'm gonna tell you what. But before we do that, just give me a pulverize of the like button and subscribe. That's right, it'll help out with the algorithms. Thank you, and carrying on. All right, so yes, this was very fun to shoot, especially at dusk at nighttime. You can actually see the round glowing as it moves. It looks like Star Wars lasers. You can see where it hits or misses your target. We were at a distance of about 44 yards, and we saw the rounds hit or miss the target. It was pretty impressive. The camera does not do justice to what this glow round does. All right, let's take a look at the footage. Man. So there you have it, streak visual ammunition. A blast to shoot, pretty genius. Glow in the dark bullet, kind of pricey. Just depends what you intend to use it for. The uses could be great for law enforcement or for training individuals who haven't shot that much. It could be great to give the shooter a good estimate on what ranges they are effective and least effective at. So it does have its usefulness. So make sure you check out some of our other videos, as well as our Instagram and Facebook channels, as we post there pretty much daily.